J-Drone here. This is my DM007. Look at that color. Look at it pop. Custom painted one. Only one other person has a custom painted DM009. This is DM009 from me, and he's also the same person that has a custom painted Alsenma from me. Start the DM009. You turn it on. You throttle up. Turn it on. Throttle up. Throttle down. Down and out will start the motors. We got a motor not spinning. What? I just checked this inside. There ain't no reason for that. There we go. I don't know what was wrong with that. Maybe there's a piece of debris stuck in it or something. I can see down by the gears that there's a little piece of hair in there. I guess there's a little bit of, there's debris. This thing, hold on. I'm gonna try to clean this out before I fly. That's exactly what it was. So pre-flight, this should be a part of pre-flight. Check the bases of your shafts here. There, I got a little bit of hair and debris on that one too. Should be good to go now. Let's try it again. All right, we're good to go. And they shut the motors down, and out. And it is dusty, man. I haven't flown this in forever. Okay, that's probably headless mode. That's speed, which we need speed because we're dealing with a 10 to 20 mile an hour wind, as you can probably hear through the drone here. And this is an altitude hold drone. It's a 2-cell drone. These things are beasts. I sell them for $35 all day. Get at me on Facebook or go on eBay and search them. They're white though. They're not this color. This is custom painted. And they do come with a camera. Can it hang? Can it hang? It can hang. I knew it would be able to hang. No problems. This is a gear-to-gear brush motor, and we're just gonna let it cruise back. And again, they come with cameras, Wi-Fi, FPV cameras. I don't have it on it because I have no real reason to be recording. I'm just flying to fly to have fun. Another thing, these motors on here from the factory are lubed, and I wouldn't suggest flying in below freezing temperatures because I think that causes motor wear. I had a couple people, including my brother and one of my friends, report back they had their motors kick out, and they were both flying in pretty extreme cold weather. And I think what happens is that the lubrication that they use kind of gels and causes a little bit of stress on the motors, and then you have early motor failure. And I just lost something. I lost a leg. I lost a leg. Are you kidding me? Hold on. Kind of want to get my leg. Guess I didn't have screws in there. All right, we're gonna try to find the leg, which is probably gonna be impossible. That's ridiculous, man. We're just gonna walk straight. I think like straight. I should come up on it, but it fell, and it probably fell in the snow here. So we're taking a tromp through snow with J-Drone. Hopefully it's sticking up. We're gonna get snow on my shoes. Bam, no, I found it. Look at that. Excellent. There are screws that you should put in here, I think. No, there ain't no screws, so why'd that come out? Maybe I didn't have it pressed in good enough. That's cool, I found it. Definitely did not think I was gonna be able to find it. But again, that's how I find drones too. Last point of view, last visual of the drone, walk straight. And I found so many drones like that. And as you can see, we just found my leg like that. Let's see, I don't know why that came off. Maybe because of the cold, it shrunk the plastic. So we're just gonna take the legs off. I have no reason to have the legs on anyway, because we don't got a camera underneath. So we're gonna be super sport mode now. A little look at it. Look at it. This thing does have enough lift on it, enough power to lift a Q6. It does also have enough power to lift a light scam cam. I don't think it'll lift the GoPro, and if it will lift the GoPro, it won't be for long. It'll kill the battery pretty quickly. These are great drones, man. And again, $35. Go on eBay $35. You have to take care of shipping though. If you contact me directly, I'll hook you up. $35, no shipping. That's a PayPal transaction through Messenger on Facebook. And I just want to check out my lights. Come on. Barely see my lights because I have the covers painted. On the blue one that I sent out to John, I didn't have the covers painted. I masked them off before I decided to paint. Really nice flyer though.
Be quiet, J-Drone. This video is going to end. Ha 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 ha. On the real, guys. That was just my alter ego. This video is going to end prematurely just because we had the GoPro out and we've been recording all day and the SD card got full. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Later.